Deadly dispute, another woman killed, this time in St. Anne. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, breakthrough St. Elizabeth cops make progress in bank robbery probe.
Nabbed cops catch men targeting Northern Caribbean University Mandeville students.
Preemptive strike, a tech expert on how you can protect your phone.
Show me the money, the mayor who wants developers to pay up when they damage public infrastructure.
In the business day, the latest fuel prices.
There's also the health report, sports commentary and weather in the primetime package, but before the break, the feedback question.
What steps have you taken to improve your personal safety and security for this Christmas season?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.